with a quote of Mother Teresa. We cannot do great things, only small things with great love. Goapex 2019 was a small effort by the Postal Department, definitely with great love, to promote philately as a hobby, particularly among youth. With this, I welcome each one of you for the valedictory function of the 3-day event, Goapex 2019 District Level Philately Exhibition.
So this is our 7th district level exhibition being held in Goa. And as I mentioned on the first day, we took every effort to upgrade it to the level of a state level exhibition. And the jury yesterday, when I had a discussion with them, they also confirmed that the exhibition standard is of a state level exhibition. We wanted to do that because in Goa it cannot be a district level exhibition, it has to be a state level exhibition. And I'm happy that the participation was wide. We had almost 55 philatelists, senior and junior, participating in the exhibition. We had philatelists coming from Kolhapur, even from Chennai, to see the exhibition. So I think around 11 schools participated in the exhibition. So we had a very, very good exhibition for the last 3 days, sir. And we have been celebrating during the last 3 days different chapters of Goan culture and heritage. That is, first day we had a special cover on olive ridley turtles. And yesterday we had a special cover on the forts of Goa. And today obviously we have a special cover on Gumat. That is probably the oldest instrument, percussion instrument of Goa.
Privilege to say that the folk instrument of my soil, the instrument from my land, which is given to us by our elders, is today have got the exposure nationwide, because the Honorable, the Department of Post Government of India have given very much status to this instrument, which is a unique instrument of Goa. Friend, I can say I am not a very famous personality. I am not so much educated. I am not a doctor. I am not an engineer. I am not a scientist. But this Gumat helps me to have this honor today, because for last about 45 years of my life, I and Gumat, we are together, and I got many more opportunity. This Gumat helps me to participate a major folk festival in our country, throughout our country, and I can say, not proudly, but very humbly, this Gumat has taken me about 14 countries of the world.
Generation that is sitting over here. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the kind words that you said. Ladies and gentlemen, this Gumat is one piece of music that is part of our land. I will not say my land, our land. I must thank the Postmaster General and his team for highlighting one instrument, musical instrument of Goa that we have been trying for so many years to put it on a pedestal to make it the official musical instrument of Goa. And I think the journey is coming to an end. And this particular instrument is made by the very soil of this land and has got a history that dates back to a time when music first fell on the ears of the people.
Person is a learner. Every person on this earth is a learner till his last breath. And thanks for the Postmaster General of India, who has given me opportunities to listen about the post. Actually, whatever I wanted to speak in front of you has been already spoken by Shriman Sardesai ji, who is a very great motivator of our heritage. The second personality is Kanta Gowde, who has already said in his speech that he has traveled across the 14 countries of this world with the Ghumat. Youth are the today's pillar of the future India. If the foundation is not strong, it is not possible as to stand higher than what we are. And that is why today's youth, we have to make the minds of the today's youths very strong in all aspects. And this is the platform who has created a platform with the innovative ideas, with the art. And that is why a platform like this should always be open for the today's youth.